morning comes the story start. You take my self-control. Another night, another day goes by. I never stop myself to wonder why. You have me to forget to play my role. You take my self-control. Ah, I live among the creatures of the night. I haven't got nowhere to try and find. I can't tell you tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it. If tomorrow never comes, I say night. I'm living in the forest of my dream. I know the night is not as what it seems. I must believe in something, so I make myself believe it. This night will never come. Oh, 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 mag-iisang oras na ako guys, hindi pa ako nakagawa ng aking. Ang yan lang malabo, hindi mo pwede gumawa ng highlight. Guys, sa mga nakabili sa atin, maraming salamat po guys. Enjoy lang live. Balintong na lang agad. You take myself control. You got me leaving only for the night. Before the morning comes the story stone. You take myself control. Ah, I live among the creatures of the night. I haven't got nowhere to try and find. I can't tell you tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it. Tomorrow never know. I said no. I'm living in the forest of my dream. I know the night is much what it seems. I must believe in something, so I make myself believe it. The night will never come. Oh, oh, oh. Tingnan ko yung battery ko. Baka iwan na tayo ng battery ko. Ali, of course, thank you so much, Ali. Thank you so much, Ali. Gagawa muna ako ng aking highlights. Or, Mamshi. Thank you so much, guys. O, diba? Nawili na naman ako, guys. Akalain mo lang kayo sa oras at kalahati na kagad. Ali, thank you so much, Ali, for staying there, Ali. Maybe a minute, I will end my life because it's already 10 o'clock. End my life. Thank you so much, 10 eyes. Thank you so much to you. And yeah. Anuhan ko lang muna, guys. Yan. Eyes, thank you so much. And 20 likes. Thank you so much sa inyo, guys. Sa love sa inyo. Thank you. And yeah. You're most welcome. Or if you have time, Ali, you just call. Okay. Or maybe you can message me, Ali. I'm too busy. That's why I don't remember. I forgot to message or call you because maybe I'm too busy. In YT. In YouTube. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ano natin. Oy, anuin ko lang muna ng konti kasi gagawa ko ng pang-upload ko. Ano po? Kuya, of course, thank you so much, Kuya. Happy holidays, everyone. Sure, well, yeah. Thank you. Dali pa, anuin ko muna. Tapos gawa ko na